After Jack English got Will McDuff's report on the unknown phone found among the governor's helicopter crash wreckage, he called the National Transportation Safety Board, the NTSB. English spoke to several people in the NTSB and each referred to him to someone else. Finally, he reached the person who signed off on the crash report. That person said, "The case is closed, the report is finalized, so that is that." English asked, "Well, what about the new information? What about the fact there might have been a small explosive device in among the helicopter's electronics?" The NTSB official said, "You ambulance-chasing lawyers are always trying to squeeze a buck out of somebody. Mind your own damn business," and he hung up on Jack English. Read Rivers of Money by Jack English. Find it at jackenglishstories.com/gallery.